Hey yo, it's Chriso. I've been away for about half an hour. Oh, I had a bloody beautiful potato top pie, and then to top it off I had a lamington. Anyway, I love what I do, you know. Like, I can't imagine sitting at home like some people do, watching the telly or sitting in the sunshine, you know, getting sunburnt. I can't imagine doing anything like that. I'd rather be at work doing this, because it's an absolute sense of achievement. I tell you. What I'm going to be doing is I'll start, but I'll be turning up my music and just absolute rocking. Bit of clip showing through there. I'll pull that out in a minute. Where's my bucket to stand on? Alright people, I have showed you how to put white grout in on shiny 6x3 tiles. If you haven't learned by now, well, you should have. I'm going to sign off now, crank my radio up, sing along. You're probably thinking, oh, God, he's full of it. Nah, I do enjoy what I do, you guys. Hopefully you're learning, and I'll see you soon. Bye.